Hi everyone, my name is Kevin Olds and this is my Module 4 for AEP 855. This is the assignment on KESA. We were tasked with talking to a building level administrator and going over the rubric for the 4 Rs and assess our building's current practices in these areas. I had a conversation with my building level leader. We settled on one of the four different, one of the four different models here for each R, which would be no evidence, implementing, transitioning, or modeling. Going over the rubric for relationships, my building level leader settled on the transitioning label. The building administrator settled on this because we provide professional learning to all direct staff. We collaborate within ourselves and we collaborate with the communities. We also conduct surveys to assess learning needs for the teachers. Teachers are asked to fill out what they think is the most important, and building administrators kind of go off that as far as professional development is concerned. Communications with all the staff is super formal. It's planned. It happens regularly. And my building administrator thought that we were in a pretty good place for that. For the next R, relevance, or the power and ability of specific information to meet the needs of the user. My building level leader thought that we were still in an implementing mode, and that's the label that they decided to use. We do use data in the classroom. We use data for classroom assessments. We use it across the school and we use it across the district to inform what drives our curriculum. But my building level leader thought that we could be a little bit better in the way that we use data and the way that we implement in the classroom. As far as a responsive culture, my building level leader thought that we were in a modeling mode there. Responsive culture would be one that readily reacts to suggestions, influences, and empowers stakeholders to become involved in the process of making decisions and learning, and also the learning of the community, and the community is involved in making decisions. We do have a culture of collaboration, my administrator thought. We demonstrate a culture of collaboration and shared leadership at our school level, at the district level, with a focus on learning and on teaching. As far as rigor is concerned, rigor here under the model is defined as the pursuit of challenges that provides opportunity to demonstrate growth. My building level leader thought that we were transitioning. That would be the label that they would use to describe it. We partner with the district. We go beyond high school programs to support K through 12 education. We document educators' pursuits of professional learning. The school empowers teachers to do extra learning, do extra professional development, seek extra certifications, more training, and technical skills to further our practice. And finally, results. The rubric said that results is defined as evidence of growth and learning. And my building level leader thought that we were still implementing as far as results go. Our results aren't where we want them to be, certainly not in the standardized state test scores. And my building level leader thought there was a lot of room for growth in terms of the results that we see on those tests and the results that we see in the post-secondary lives of our students.